All right, it's Friday, an eighth period, and I am sure you are excited about the weekend. So stick with me. This should be a short video lesson for you. And if you were successful yesterday with everything, you'll be just fine today. So make sure you've got your notebooks out and something to write with. Again, if you need any more time to write something down, make sure you raise your hand and politely ask for the video to be paused. And then when you're ready to keep going, make sure you let someone know so we can continue moving through this. After the lesson, you will have some time to work on your homework. It's another worksheet, and then you can enjoy your weekend. Here we go. All right, so we're going to start by talking about the relationship of angles and sides on a triangle. The shortest side is going to be opposite the smallest angle. So if I were to look at this triangle, draw it in your notes. Looking at this triangle, I want to identify the smallest angle. My smallest angle is angle A. Across from the smallest angle is the smallest side. The second sentence says the longest side is opposite the largest angle. So what's left over? Well, the medium size angle and the medium size side. So when we look at these, we know that across from the biggest angle is the biggest side, and across from the smallest angle is the smallest side. All right, let's keep going. What we're going to be working with, this is kind of our only vocabulary word, and it's kind of a word we use in a lot of different subjects, and we use it a lot in English. Order. When I'm talking about order, in this particular lesson, I'm talking about putting the values in a particular sequence, putting them in order from greatest to least, or least to greatest. What's the difference? The difference is greatest would be the largest or biggest, and then all the way down to the smallest. This one would be the other way around. I want to go from the smallest to the largest. Make sure you read the directions so you know which order to put them in. For this one, I want us to write the side lengths from least to greatest. I'm not going to write 11, 18, 24 because that's not telling me which sides they are. So my answer, if I went from the least to the greatest, would be A, B, comma, B, C, comma, A, C, or you could have written CA. These are the side lengths in order from least to greatest. Now we're going to put the side lengths in order from greatest to least. Start with the biggest. But I don't have any side lengths on this triangle. What I do have are angle measures. And when we opened this lesson, we said that the largest angle is across from the largest side. So that means that this is the largest side. Let me change colors there. That this is our largest side. Which one's the smallest side? This is the smallest side. So I'm going to start with RT, the largest side, because I want the greatest, comma, the middle one is RS, and it'll end with ST or TS. So these are from the largest side over here to the smallest side over there. Let's try it with angles now. So to put the angle measures in order, we're going from the smallest angle to the largest angle, or in this case, the largest angle to the smallest angle. Greatest to least. Okay, in order, the smallest would be angle O, then angle M, and then angle P. Okay. One more here. This time we're going to put the angle measures in order from least to greatest. So we're going to look for the smallest angle first. But it looks like I don't have any angle measures and I only have side lengths. So if I only have side lengths, then I'm going to have to look across the triangle. So my least, or the shortest, the smallest angle is angle F. Then I have angle E. That one's next. And last, the biggest one, is angle D. These are from least to greatest. That's it, guys. Use the rest of the class time to complete both sides of your worksheet. What you do not complete in class will be your homework, so if you get it done, you're done. Have a great weekend. See you guys on Monday.